NFL Sunday Ticket on ESPN. In today's video, we are going to learn how to watch NFL Red Zone on ESPN. So let's get started. Watch NFL Red Zone live on ESPN with the new ESPN Unlimited Plus NFL Plus Premium bundle. This quick guide shows how to sign up, what the bundle includes, and where to find NFL Network and Red Zone in the ESPN. So what you will get: bundle ESPN Unlimited plus NFL Network plus NFL Red Zone. The pricing is $39.99 per month, launching from September 3, 2025. It works on smart TVs, phone, streaming devices, and browsers. So, what are the steps? First, update or install the ESPN application or visit espn.com. Now choose the ESPN Unlimited Plus NFL Plus Premium bundle, sign in or create an ESPN TSD account and enter payment and confirm subscription. After subscription, go to live channels and ask NFL to stream Red Zone. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick setup guides. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.